Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 9. This is Section 1.4, Problem 9. We have 9,248 minus 8,740. So it's lined up fairly well. We can start subtracting, go to the far right column of digits, and I will subtract 8 minus 0, which is 8. Then I go over one column of digits to the left, and then I have 4 minus 4, which is 0. Then I go over one column of digits to the left, and I have 2 minus 7. Now, the 2 is not large enough to subtract a 7 from, so I need to borrow. I'll go over to the next column to the left. At the top of the column, I have a 9. I will cross off the 9 and reduce it to an 8, and that will allow me to put a 1 in front of that 2 that I want to subtract from and change it from a 2 into a 12. Now I can subtract 12 minus 7, which is 5. And now the far left column of digits is 8 minus 8, which is 0. So you don't need to put a 0 in the far left position if you start with a 0. You don't have to write it. So the answer is 508.